Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up night photo mode on GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So if you want to set it up, I would recommend doing it in a quick app. Here you will click on this gear, not gear, but those three lines icon. And as you guys can see, you got a lot of options here. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to choose the night photo. So here we have, for example, night effects. So these are the store trails. We also have a lot more options, like for example, we got the low light. So we can use it. Of course, I use the low light for the night photos. And now I always change it so that there's instead of 4K, not 4K, but instead of the frame rate, there's not 30 but not 40 but 60. And here we have the subject tracking. I always keep it enabled so that it tracks everything. And duration, totally up to you. I always keep it at no limit so I can end it whenever I want to. Here we have the timer. So I use 3 seconds, and scheduled capture is pretty much pointless for me, but you can select whenever you want to schedule a capture. So if you want to catch something at 5 p.m, you can do that here. Also, we get the digital lens that we can change. I am on the linear, and you can use wide and super view, which are basically like 0.5 and 0.4x if we were like trying to transfer it into a phone. Now what are we going to do next is we're simply going to use it. You can also use the HyperSmooth, so on auto boost, so that your photos look good. The bit depth, you can change it to 10 bit and then enable HLD HDR. Once you enable it, you can go over and go to photo, change it, not photo but color, change it to vibrant. And here you have motion blur. You can make it cinematic medium. And these are basically my settings for night photo mode. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.